Hi and welcome to engineering. My name's Ian Wilkins. I'm one of the assistant principals. I'm particularly in charge of Key Stage 5 and the engineering department. I wanted to give you a quick tour this morning. I can show you around what we do here. Follow me, please. The school is built around engineering. The whole of the engineering department is downstairs, and the one thing I really like about teaching in the workshop is that everybody on the other floors in the other classrooms has a view of me in the workshop. It gives me a chance to really show off my skills, but also everybody can see what the students like. In the middle of the engineering department is the workshop. Around the outside we've got several different sets of classrooms where at the moment the students are free and able to sit and do silent study. We do need all of Key Stage 5 students to have their own laptops. We do a lot of blended learning, a lot of online learning, where the students research their own activities. If you are thinking about joining us in Key Stage 4, this tends to be the Key Stage 4 end of the workshop. We've got sets of centre lathes, and obviously the bench devices, and we have the pillar drills. By the time everybody leaves at the end of Key Stage 4, they are very, very familiar with using these machines at this end of the workshop. As I said, around the outside we've got different sets of classrooms, computer science classroom. So we use these for our BTECs in engineering, but also the IT A levels use these sets of rooms as well. This room is mainly used for programming. We have the Unit 6 exam, so an exam at the end of Year 13, where the students have to create and produce a computer program to answer a question from the exam board. And then at this end of the workshop, it tends to be the Key Stage 5 classes. So the Key Stage 5 classes will use the milling machines in some of their units to produce their practical pieces of work. Computing classroom. This tends to be used more for Key Stage 4, where we've got slightly smaller classes and they work in here on their engineering coursework. So now we have the plasma cutter. We've got 4 sets of 3D printers, a laser cutter, a couple of CNC routers and milling machines. So plenty of CAD/CAM equipment for the students to work on are developing their projects. And then down this last side are just general sets of classrooms. The different students will be working on their practical pieces, on their assignments. One of the things we do on a Friday after school is we work on the Build a Plane project. So this is something that I work on with students at the end of the school week. It's a chance for me to turn my radio off so that the rest of the school can't contact me, but it's a chance that I work with students producing our plane. It's a 2-seater Sherwood Ranger, to give it its full title. It will be flight worthy. It doesn't look like much at the moment, and it doesn't look like we've spent almost 2 years working on it now, but every single part is handmade. Every single piece has got to be filed and drilled to join all the parts together. And we only spend Friday evenings working on it, so that might explain why it doesn't look like it's quite flight worthy yet, but it will. If I could just introduce it to 2 of our students who are part of the CCF. The CCF is another activity that school does after school on Wednesdays. If we introduce you to Machario and Kyle.
The school here is absolutely fantastic, and it provides a lot of great opportunities, as said previously. Another bonus to the school is that the fact that we have a CCF squadron here that allows us to not only gain confidence and skills that we need to work here as part of the school, but also it allows us to go off-site, flying, shooting and gliding, and gain further knowledge in other fields.
CCF gives us the opportunity to gain confidence and skills that we would not have learned elsewhere.